All desire, God-given desire, is good because it comes from God. It's guidance. Desire is what is telling you who you are. That's why they feel good. And that's why to other people, they don't get it, because God didn't give them those desires. They have their own desires, if they're honest with themselves, that God gave them. Not all of us want the same things. Not all of us have the same desires, and that's by design. That's why what's for you can't miss you, because it's for you. It's not for anyone else. It matches your frequency, your unique energetic signature. I am skating at the moment. There was a bit of rough terrain. I passed over there. Desire is the engine of creation. So when we focus on what we desire, what is wanted, what we like, what we appreciate, that's what manifests. You get more of that. The how is already taken care of. The how isn't even a question, because you already have it. That's why they say the how is not up to us, or the how is not your business. Or Abraham says step 2 is source's, it's source's job. Step 3 is receiving. You just go from step 1 to step 3. Step 2 has nothing to do with you. Step 1 is like taking your order. You figure out what you don't want. And you don't have to figure it out. You just, as you're living life, you experience what you don't want. That's contrast. From there, okay, this is what's manifesting now. This is how I've been feeling. This is what's been trending. This is what I don't want, or do I want. You turn to the direction of what's wanted. And you choose a better thought. You choose a better thought. It's not hard. It's very easy, very simple, moment to moment. What would I prefer? What do I like? What do I want right now? Not what do I want 5 years from now. You can. But you need to be in the right frequency so that it feels good to you. Because if you're in the wrong frequency or a lower frequency, it's going to feel like sticky. It's going to feel like you're exerting a lot of effort. That's why Abraham says go general. Go general until you're on your high-flying disc. Or go general until, you're feeling really, really clear. You're feeling really, really good. Then you can get specific about what you want. But sometimes the specifics escape us, right? Because we need to be in that good feeling frequency to discern, to be clear enough to receive the specifics. I'm hearing the grid filling in, but the grid is already filling in. But us being filled in. But even when you figure out, well, you're not figuring out. That's the thing. You're not figuring anything out. Because to figure out is the effort. It's using your logic. This is spiritual. This is energetic. There's no figuring it out. This is creation. This is your inner child. This is your inner knowing. This is God. If God knows, what is it to figure out? There's nothing to figure out. There's only something to receive. So being the receiver of thought, of desire, of specifics, right? Details. because we're not doing this alone. When Abraham says there's great love for you here, they are not lying. There's great love, there's great support, there's great clarity, there's great feelings, there's great everything, great love. And everything is love because everything is God. We have no idea how supported we are, how loved we are, how good we are, how deserving we are, how worthy we are. And we don't have to prove it. When you're feeling good, you just know it. It's knowing. Manifesting is knowing. And the secret to knowing is feeling. Feeling is the secret. When you know it, it's manifest. It's made manifest. Feeling good is the secret. Feeling good will get you anywhere you want to go. Because it's from that feeling good place that you have access to the thoughts, to the ideas, to the plans. Oh, I'm going to go here. I'm going to go do this thing. I'm going to drive over here today. I'm going to take this route. I'm going to go see this person. I'm going to talk to them. I'm going to strike up a conversation over here. I'm going to move to this place. I'm going to buy this car. I'm going to do this thing. All of those things come from that feeling good place. And that feeling good place is an abundant place. It's not a place of need. It's not a place of lack. It's not a place of scarcity. Did you see that? Try to take me out. I just hit a twig or something that tried to trip me up. But there's great love for me here. I stay on my feet. Thank you, God. Why do I laugh whenever something like that happens? Maybe is it relief? And also too, I don't know. It's funny. Is it embarrassment? Not really. Embarrassed about what? You don't have to be perfect to skate at the lake. And I'm rhyming, right? So if there is embarrassment, again, that's ego stuff, which we know is not real. Anywho, where was I? That's smooth. I like that it's smooth. So, we're guided by our desires. Desire is a guide, and feeling good is the secret to manifesting those desires. What is it? Is it Isaac or something? What's the scripture that, come close, my son, that I may feel you? Or is it Isaac? Isaac saying it to his son. His one son is pretending to be the other son, but he feels right to him. Yeah, it feels foreign to me to slow down with my right stopper. I'm used to slowing down with my left. It's all about feeling. The reason you want what you want is because of the feeling of it. And when Abraham says the joy in the journey is just moment to moment. It's not even from here to there or to get to the other side. Yeah, but the other side is just feeling. And the feeling, we want to feel God. We want to feel good. We are meant to feel good. We are meant to feel God because we come from God. God is the only thing there is. God is all there is. literally there's a system here. Because too many things just connect to the other thing, to another thing, to the thing. The only thing. So if I have these desires, this car, this house, this place, this destination, this travel, this trip, this suite, this beach, this handbag, this matcha, this whatever it is, this bike, this, as we're little kids, I don't know, these bubbles, this jump rope, these new sneakers, whatever it is, we desire because the desire feels good to us. It feels good when we receive that desire. And we inherently know that receiving it in the physical will feel good.
Hang out or
Many people teach that, like, if you're not satisfied with what you have, then you're ungrateful, and that's not the case. Because many of our desires have already manifested, but we still desire more. We still want more. We can't not want more. We will always want more, because desire is the engine of creation. That's how this thing works. This thing called life. This thing called living. Desire, the law of vibration. Everything moves. Nothing rests. Not your desires, not your satisfaction, not your appreciation, not your, It's all moving. Life is moving. A wheel. It's a wheel. I'll figure out how to get the audio better. As I'm skating right now, I'm sure there's noise from, just the environment, which makes it very real. But it's not curated. It's just free flowing. It just is. I'm in the moment, taking you along with me, skating along the lake. There's mansions to my right and a man-made lake to my left. And lots of greenery and nature all around me. And I'm skating. And the wind is blowing through my hair. It feels good on my body. Sunny. 80-something degrees. It feels wonderful out here. I feel wonderful out here. And in this place, everything that I desire, everything that's wanted is making its way to me right now because my frequency matches my desires. I think this is what the world is calling for, more realness. Not perfectly polished, perfectly curated. Some of that, like we like aesthetics. Come on now. I'm an aesthetic girly, I suppose. But oftentimes, like teachers or gurus or content creators, sometimes it feels like they're teaching at you. And I'm not disqualifying myself from that. But in this moment, these are just my innermost thoughts. I'm just happening to speak them aloud so that I can share them with whomever, again, is in the vibrational vicinity to receive it. It's moment to moment to moment to moment to moment. And this is what it looks like and feels like to and for me. How do you create? How do you, this is a part of it. It's not sitting down with the perfect lighting and the perfect script and not saying, or not saying like, or not saying, you know what I'm saying? Or whatever it is. Like, it's not about being all buttoned up and perfect and polished. It can be, but it need not be. It just needs to be real. Life is supposed to be a little messy. You know, it's not supposed to be all neat. But messy is good. Think about like when a little kid is playing, it gets messy. If you're painting, your fingers get messy and your clothes and all that stuff, but like, damn it, you had a whole lot of fun, didn't you? That's how we're meant to live this thing. I'm excited to get home and to make this a video and to upload it. And to continue to do this. I've been recording these voice memos in various ways for so many years, I can't even count how many at this point. What way do I want to go? But I've let branding stop me, or not being happy with this or that, or well, I think I want it like this, or those things. And no matter whatever else it is that I do, I come back to this: speaking, teaching, writing. And even when I write, I'm speaking, because my thoughts move quickly. Think about it. I come from the formless place, the realm of thought, or a different dimension where manifestation is instant. This writing, the grounding, is slower. Now, do I enjoy the 3D? Absolutely. I enjoy the vibration under my wheels, under my skates, the rhythm, the sound, the going forward, the moving in a direction along the lake. But getting my thoughts out, my preferred method is to speak them. I wish more teachers would speak about that when they talk about journaling. There's many, many ways to journal. Not all of us are going to sit there and write in our journals. Some of us are going to grab our phones because it's meant to be easier for us. That's what they're for. And we're going to record. I am some of us. I am some of us. So I think I'm going to stop there for now, or pause it there. I never really stop. I think I'll stop there. Pause here, table it here. When the feeling moves through me, that electricity, desire moves through me, I'll be back. Ciao for now.